Okay, so what you have for number 3 given is you got your A, and you got your, this one says 4 revolutions in 10 seconds. What does that mean? 4 revolutions, 10 seconds frequency, and this is 0.4 hertz of frequency. So if we look at the formula that we have, acceleration is v squared over r. Well, if we're looking for the radius, which is this one right here, we don't have the velocity. And if I go, well, I can find the velocity first. The velocity is 2 pi rf. Again, you have a problem with having 2 variables that are unknown, right? So you got it. You're going to have to combine the 2. So what we're going to do here is, you see this v right here? You're going to put it here. If I go v squared, this is going to be 4 pi squared r squared f. That's the v squared. So I'm going to put that over here. So 4 pi squared r squared f divided by a equals r. This r right here, that's actually what I'm looking for. So I should actually put it in this a right here. So acceleration is 4 pi squared r squared f over r. That's the one I needed. You see the r squared over r? You know what happens to that? They will cancel 1 r, right? So what we have now here is going down this way. Acceleration is equal to 4 pi squared rf. That's the formula that you have from here. Then you can isolate the r. So r is a over 4 pi squared f. Yeah? And you've got your acceleration, you got your frequency, and we got the pi. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so here you have, this is 9.8 meters per second squared per g. That means that's 1 g. If I tell you you live in 1 g environment, what does that mean? In physics, that means your 1 g is 9.8 meters per second squared. So you're being pulled down by the planet Earth with a g of 1, 9.8. So if you're looking at, this is the g that you have, if you're spinning with this acceleration, how many g's are acting on your body? You divide it by 1 g, which is 9.8. You see the meters per second squared will cancel, and you're left with just a number that tells you how many g's you have. You're basically, it's not a formula. You're just saying, okay, this is how much. It's kind of like I have $62.50. One pencil costs $9.08, or one shirt. Pencil's too expensive. One shirt costs $9.08, 80 cents. How many shirts can I buy with this much money? You divide it by that price, right? You divide it, and then so you go, oh, I can buy 6 shirts if it's worth $9.80. That's just how figuring out how many of those, how many G's you have. By the way, maximum of 6G is the maximum that a human can withstand, can sustain. So that means this person, if you are the pilot of this jet plane, this is most likely a snowbird or one of those fighter pilots, jet planes that are very, very fast. That person is going to pass out at 6.38 G. So they need to make sure that they wear a pilot G suit. So they have to wear a special G suit to prevent these pilots from passing out if they're flying these very fast planes.